What's going on, y'all? My name is Dawson Brewer, your favorite realtor in Austin, Texas. Today, I'm gonna take y'all on a tour to some neighborhoods here in Manor, Texas. Y'all stay tuned until the end of the video. How's it going, y'all? My name is Dawson Brewer, your favorite realtor in Austin, Texas. Today, I'm gonna be showing y'all some neighborhoods here in Manor, Texas. I'm actually standing in Manor Commons, and let's get to the sauce.
We're getting started with a Pacesetter home, 1,500 square feet, 3 bed, 2 bath. This is the Angelina floor plan. The prices start at $340. As we enter this home, I want to show you guys this front mudroom. Now, what I really like about this mudroom is that it offers a lot more characteristics than a typical coat closet, and it offers you the opportunity to get as creative as possible. Then we have this front little area to decorate as you please, which is in common with the normal cookie cutter. As we make our way into the open floor plan, the living room, I want to walk y'all to this window because this is a staple of Pacesetter homes, at least in this area, and that is this windowsill to where you can be as creative as possible with your decorations or have your pets sit down on it, put your plants down there. However way you want to approach that, you have the choice. As we make our way into the kitchen, I want to show you guys how smoothly it flows with one another with the other spaces. We have the large oak cabinets with a lot of counter space, a lot of cabinet space. Now, this home does not have the slow close drawers, but again, you do have a lot of shelving and a lot of storage options in your kitchen. This is a large stainless steel garden sink with the detachable hose on your faucet with the quartz countertops, along with a gas stove with the griddle right in that middle. Now, with the backsplash, unfortunately, it does not come with the standard Pacesetter home. It is a updated feature, and we do have the kitchen island with the outlets and of course the open floor plan. And that accent wall over there, again, is not a standard feature. It is a premium feature, premium upgrade. As we walk into the hallway, I'm gonna show you guys the first guest bathroom. And I mean, you can't really see it in the video, but that mirror is basically reaches all the way to the ceiling. That is a standard feature. That backsplash still isn't. As we make our way into the first guest bedroom, now again, we do have that staple windowsill to decorate however way you want to your fullest heart content, and the closet. Now, for reference, I am 6'2", and as you can see, this closet offers a lot of vertical space, a lot of shelving options. And that is going to be the same type of size closet in the second guest bedroom. As we make our way into the second guest bedroom, as you can see, it has a very similar layout, same size as the first guest bedroom, along with, again, my favorite feature of the Pacesetter homes, that windowsill to do whatever you want to do with it. Extra storage for your pets to sit on, for your plants, whatever you want to do. We're making our way to that master bedroom. The master bedroom is a large space as this features a king-size bed with a dresser, some end tables, and again, that windowsill. You could go ahead, sip your coffee, sip your tea while you're enjoying that sun right there through the windows. And the king size bed is just a reference point to show you how much room that there is in this room. I never felt cramped in this room. I felt like this is a good amount of room for 2 people to live in. As we make our way to the master bathroom, one of my favorite features is the his and her sink, or the double vanity sink. That way you guys can separate whatever you got going on. All right. As you can see, we have a stand-up shower with the glass sliding doors. Now the backsplash again is another updated feature. It's not standard. And we have the linen closet with a lot of shelving options. And as we finish up with this bathroom, this is the really roomy, spacey walk-in closet with the shelves in the middle, the shelves on top. There is also additional room to add more shelves if you feel the need to. A lot of space to hang clothes, put your shoes, whatever the case is. You do have a lot of space in this closet. As we make our way to the back of the house, this laundry room also doubles as a mud room As you can see here, we have space for an iron board. There is a shelf right there to put all your laundry supplies. And there's a space right to the left of that washer to where you can store any other baskets that you want to. And the fact that it's close to the rest of the bedrooms makes that really convenient. As we make our way to the final feature of the house, you will see the covered patio. And I want y'all to pay attention to these gutters on the left. Not every home in Texas comes with gutters. It is actually a plus because of the weather here. And you will see that we also have a fan on the patio. To go back to the gutters, yeah, I mean, in Texas, because of the lack of rain that we tend to get throughout the year, having gutters is considered a bonus to the house, not a necessity. So it's always a plus when the builders already build that into the house. All right, as we wrap up on this home tour, there are about 50 more lots in this neighborhood, 12 more of these homes, and this one, for reference, is 1,500 square feet. It's called the Angelina, and these will be priced between $340 to $350. All right, this is a city park called Timmerman Park. This one is located in the Manor Commons neighborhood. Again, it's a city park, so it's open to the public. It's 18 acres, and typically about once a month, there is a farmer's market, although I think they shut it down due to some associated costs. This park features 2 playgrounds, a covered pavilion, and basketball courts, a walking trail. I see a lot of people bring their pets here. It also has a public restroom. You could host barbecues with your friends and family and just enjoy the open space that this park has to offer. And I see people out here all the time. I see people running. I see people bringing their kids out here, see dog walkers, that sort of thing. It is very family friendly and oriented. And what I really like about this space in Manor Commons in general is that although they don't have, your pools or your clubhouse or anything special like that, this park again is located in Manor Commons. I have never seen it get too busy. It does have its own parking lot, and the only time that I've ever seen it busy was with those monthly farmer markets, which again, I think they discontinued doing it for now at least, but I would not be surprised if they were to bring that in the future. This park was established back in 2019, and this is where our taxes goes to. As y'all can see with that second playground over there, this park is a really special green place for the residents of not only Manor Commons, but Manor in general.
Funny enough, I actually sold that house right there in the corner. It was a pretty quick sell. We sold that house in about 18 hours. We had a contract, sold it for full asking price. They are also breaking ground in that corner down there for a Mexican supermarket, and we're also going to be building a pet hospital.
Before I take y'all through the rest of the neighborhood, we're gonna make one last stop at this model home. This builder is called Chesmar, and this is the Stephanie model. This one features 4 beds, 3.5 baths, and it is 2447 square feet. The prices start at $420. This is a spec home. What a spec home is that you would not be able to change the layout. What you see is what you get, obviously aside from the furniture. As you can see, it comes with a loft, which is acting as the sales office. And this is a nice wide open floor plan. Now this home does come with stainless steel appliances, including a gas stove with the griddle right in the middle. It does not come with the fridge, but it comes with the washer or dishwasher, the disposal, a water softener faucet, and the ceramic tile backsplash with the granite countertops. These cabinets are 36 inches tall, and I'm sure y'all noticed the underlighting of the cabinets as well. You might notice in this living room all these huge windows. I love these windows. They let that natural sunlight in and just lights your home up naturally. As we make our way to the master bedroom, you'll notice the accent wall. The accent wall is not going to be in every home. This is just a model home. But we can see that this is a king size bed that comfortably fits in the master room. And also, I already passed it by, but the master room is located very close to the balcony door. So you can easily just pop outside to your balcony straight from your master bedroom. How cool is that? You can see that in the corner over there with these large windows. Now as we come into the master bathroom, you get your own private commode area with a door and a his and hers sink. And look at that huge walk-in shower. This is one of my more favorite walk-in closets in that it has a lot of different shelves, lot of different hangers, and it also has a little area for you to put towels or your shoes. Now this is one of my favorite features in this house is this laundry room, because think about how convenient this is. You don't have to pile up your dirty clothes anywhere in the bathroom or anything like that. You can instead transfer the dirty clothes straight into the laundry room, and after you're done washing and drying your clothes, straight into the closet. I love that feature about this house. I'm just gonna take y'all to the second story, but we're gonna make a quick drop off at this coat closet, show y'all what we're working with. I do like the size of this coat closet. It is very conveniently close to the front door. And we're also gonna look at the half bathroom downstairs. Now this half bathroom does have a wallpaper, and again, it's just a model home. Your home is not gonna have that same wallpaper. Now, the room that was to the left, that's just gonna be the garage, but it's acting as the extension of the sales office. So as we make our way upstairs, notice the carpet is going to be elite Berber carpet. And if you don't really care about the carpet like that, just know that you are getting a very top quality type of carpet. I also want to point out these windows over here. They're very quirky looking, very modern, and to me it's a nice feature. And this loft just overlooks the living room, the kitchen. This is my second favorite room in the house, and I just like the open concept that you're able to get from that second level. This is the first full bath that I'm showing y'all. As y'all can notice, we do have the backsplash in that shower with the garden sized tub. And we are getting into our first guest bedroom. Now that door inside this closet leads to the attic. It was locked, so I did not have access, but I'm just gonna show you guys how much room there is in this closet. The video kind of shrinks it down a little bit. There is a little bit more room than what the video shows. And to the left, that door is just a linen closet. This room, or this house, comes with a lot of storage options, a lot of space. You're not gonna get that wallpaper again. You're not gonna get that chandelier that's hanging up to the right. And as we make our way into the second guest bedroom, notice the walls. Inside of your house, you're going to have the eggshell white type of walls. Again, this is just a model, so the accent walls are not going to be in your house. But notice this bathroom, the second full bathroom upstairs, it is shared between the two guest bedrooms. Now, what I love about this bedroom specifically is that sill over there, or that little area over there with the pillows. It offers a lot of opportunities to be creative. And it also has a decent sized closet with shelving and hanger space. Now, as we wrap up with the tour of the house, before I take y'all back out to the neighborhood, there's a few more features that I wanted to point out. Every house is going to come with its own electronic lock that you can control with your phone, has a sprinkler system, and a water softener loop, meaning it's plumb for water softener. It doesn't come with one. And ultimately, the garage has finished walls with paint and texture. Now I'm just going to take you all through the neighborhood and Manor Commons and just show you what's coming here in the future. So in total, we have about 80 lots left to build on, with Chesmar having about 30-ish and Pacesetter having around 50. But that's just the minimum because there is a third builder coming, and that third builder is Landsea. I do not know how many lots they're going to have, but I could assume that we are going to have well over 100 lots total left to build on. Now, the prices as of today for these new homes at least are between the prices of $340 to the mid $4s. I have seen homes in the higher 2s to lower 3s, but these are going to be your resale homes. So funny story, these homes in the back were actually not here about a year ago. I remember that first home on the left, that was in the framing stage literally a year ago. When I sold a home in a more established neighborhood down the street, that was the only home that was framed up. I believe the other ones have had broken ground around that time frame. But yeah, none of these homes, including the ones in the distance down there, none of these homes were in this area. So that just goes to show you how fast that we're moving in terms of development.
You know, another interesting thing about Manor is the street names. You got Cockatoo Crossing, Toucan Trail. We have a neighborhood in Manor called Presidential Meadows or Presidential Heights, and it's just the streets are named after presidents. We also have one, Shooter McGavin, named after the golf movie. We just have interesting street names.
Now the tax rate is going to be 2.7% in Manor, and the HOA is going to be a quarterly fee of $100. The reason why the tax rate is so high is because we have all that infrastructure coming. They are currently building a Home Depot, HEB, Office Max, Discount Tire, and a bunch of other big box stores that Manor is in desperate need of. The workaround with the lack of an HEB is people just travel to Austin, Pflugerville, or Elgin, which are all about 15 to 20 minutes away, depending on traffic. So that's the workaround. And if you did not want to go to HEB, we do have a Walmart, and of course, we have the smaller Dollar General type of stores.
We are connected to Austin, again, 15 to 20 minutes away from Austin. We are about 30 minutes away from downtown Austin, depending on traffic. So if you want affordable living in Austin, Manor is a spot to do it. You know, we're also about 15 to 20 minutes away from Tesla, which naturally brings a lot of people to Manor. That's the reason why we moved to Manor. My wife is working at Tesla. We moved from San Marcos, and Manor was just a choice. We wanted to get closer to Austin and closer to Tesla, and we were priced out everywhere else, and we landed on a new build in Manor. A lot of people do that, especially my Tesla folks. They even have a bus that comes and picks up workers in Manor. I mean, how dope is that? That's the reason why people choose to move to Manor. I mean, we have affordable homes here. Property taxes are pretty high here, and that's because we are developing the infrastructure, but we're just in the very beginning stages of development, and people are realizing that with the proximity to Austin, home prices are very attractive here. I understand the residents that's been here for more than 10 years, they're probably looking at these home prices ready to have a heart attack because this used to be a farm town, and you could definitely tell. But I mean, in comparison to Austin home prices, Manor is a very attractive, very affordable option for your average consumer. Forgot to mention, we're about 20 minutes away from the Austin airport. We're about 20 minutes away from Circuit of the Americas, Circa. It's a racetrack that brings in a lot of tourists, it brings in a lot of people. And again, we are just in a really prime location. Yeah, man, Manor Commons is a really good spot to be in. And with your builder, Chesmar Homes and Pacesetter, you're gonna have a lot of options. All right, so we have the animal hospital coming on this side, if y'all can see that. And we have finally broken ground on the Mexican supermarket. I saw this sign ever since we came here. It feels like it's been a couple years since they had this coming soon sign. But yeah, we have finally broken ground. We are getting that Mexican supermarket. Now, if y'all can see across the street over there, I can't zoom in because I'm driving, but if y'all can see across the street over there, that is where the HEB, Home Depot, and other big box stores are coming. I'm gonna give y'all a closer look. As y'all can see on the left, this is where the HEB, Home Depot, Office Max, Einstein's Bagels Company, Discount Tire, all that is coming here, plus more. And I mean, as you can see, they're just doing a lot of construction over there.
And I just wanted to keep the camera rolling just to show y'all what's going on in these other parts of Manor. This is literally down the street from Manor Commons. There's a mixed-use lot for sale on the right. On the left, they're already starting to section off pieces of land or plots of land to build neighborhoods on. If I continue to go down the street past the light, there is a brand new neighborhood already breaking ground. You see a bunch of construction videos on the left. And if I keep on going down past that part, there is a new neighborhood with houses already framed up on the right. So there is a lot of new construction already in the area.
If y'all are looking to find a home in Manor Commons or anywhere in Manor, I'll just say anywhere in Texas, I service Austin, San Antonio, and the Temple Killeen area. Reach out to me. My name is Dawson Brewer, and I will leave my contact information down below, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.